Hubba Bubba Doopy Doop here. This is the service manual from 1989 Buick Reatta. Each one they made from 88 to 91. This covers the Buick Reatta and the Buick Riviera, because they're both basically based all on one concept car. Well, the Reatta was the concept, the Halo car, but the differences were the Reatta's got pop-up headlights, different wheels. The Reatta is what's called a sports luxury. Okay. The Riviera is just a luxury car. So, electric pull-down trunk. That was a big new thing back then. The Reatta 90 and 91, you could get the sunroof or a convertible. It's like slight differences. They didn't make a Haynes or a Chilton manual of any kind for the Reattas, so I had to buy this, and it was $99.95, 108 with tax, and this weighs 6 pounds. Oops, come on. There we go. 6 pounds, and it's factory manual. There are no pictures of any kind. It's not like a Haynes manual. And this covers everything. All of the wiring I got a bunch of post-it notes on certain things. When I first got the car, it was a basket case, literally. Box of parts in the trunk. Nobody knew what to do with it. So it's got all the wiring diagrams, all the transmission internals. It's all hand drawn. This is what the dealer techs had to use to work on it. All the components of the transmission, everything. And this guy, where the fluid circuit, it's called, where your fluid goes, all the electrical connections, and that's all in color. Air conditioning, everything about the entire car, the entire engine. So, everything about everything. One thing that always bothers me. Well, okay, I'll get to that in 1 minute. Come on. What is... Let me get some more light. I don't know what's going on with this thing. Wait a second. There we go. This body, let's see, Reatta. EC 97 two-door coupe, 2 passengers, engine code, transaxle with with overdrive. That's the difference. You see, Reatta. Riviera was 3 people. It's got a back seat. Turbo hydromatic 440 T4 transaxle, 4-speed. The Reatta has got overdrive. 3,381.9 pounds. And the wheelbase, overall length, axle ratio. See, the Riviera is 297, but the Reatta is 297. just as it comes on. Let's see here. Horsepower, LN3, 120. No, wait a second. Net horsepower. I don't know what this thing is. Let's see. Sales, build. I know mine's the LN3, so 3.8 liters. Net horsepower 165, 5,000, 165 horsepower. Hey, that's all you need. You know, I'm not out there racing. I mean, you know, especially the cost of gasoline. That's just ridiculous. Even tells you where to jack it. If you got to lift it up. If you're using a floor jack, lift it here. Suspension contact on the wheels. And they tell you, you know, there's certain places you're not supposed to lift it by. There's certain contact points. Well, when I got my car, if I can point this out here, let's see. Rear, let's see, where's the front? Let's see, rear of front tire. Yeah, right around there. Right around here. I don't know who, before I got it, they lifted it up maybe with a bottle jack or some bullshit, and it punched a hole right through the floorboard. And it was like a little hole, like a tear almost. It didn't go all the way through, but the little tear began rusting, and then it turned into a place about the size of my hand where it's all messed up. So I got to make a video on repairing that. I don't know, tomorrow maybe, or maybe Wednesday. And it tells you where to lift it up and everything. You know. So that's all I wanted to say about that. I mean, this is it's not that great a shape. But, you know, 1989, with a big book like this that's been through mechanics and everything. It's got greasy handprints on it. And then the binding is all messed up. It's got the original number there. There's only a finite amount of them. And when they're gone, that's it. So that's why they can get how much they want for them. Alrighty, have fun. Bye-bye.